Hi and welcome back. In this video I will be replacing side marker bulbs on 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. So after opening the hood you will have to locate a connector for the side marker bulb, and this connector, so it's in this orange area, so the bulb should be around about here. So I'm gonna show you inside, and as you see this gray connector, this is where is your side marker bulb located. Now to undo this connector you will have to turn it counterclockwise and pull it out, just like that. And this is how that looks like. So now when you have this housing out, you just want to simply pull the bulb out and replace it with the new one. So I grabbed the new one and I'm gonna put it in the housing. You wanna make sure the bulb is all the way in, and now we'll put it back inside. So you wanna put it back into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it up. Yeah, I just want to make sure it sits properly, and then just want to lock it up, and that's it. And now I'm gonna do the same on the driver's side. So on the driver's side it's also gray connector. Once when you get it out, you just want to pull it out. And replace it with a new one. Make sure it clicks all the way in, and then put it back into the housing and turn it clockwise. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please consider subscribing to my channel and like the video. Thank you, bye.